So on today's video is going to be an update on my project pan that I'm doing until I move, and it's just kind of got some little things that I'm just trying to really get out, and it's a rolling project pan, and I was supposed to update y'all on the end of every month, but I graduated last week and I had my mom in town all week, so I was a little bit, well, not even behind. I just didn't film at all, so I'm sorry about that, but don't worry. I have graduated. I officially have a master's degree. I'd show you my diploma, but I don't have it yet because, you know, they don't actually give you a diploma during graduations. But I am all the way finished. I'm so excited. But anyway, today I'm going to go ahead and update y'all on that project. So, here are the 2 empties that I had. I was expecting to have a little bit more, but pretty much this entire month, if we're being honest, a lot of April and May, I didn't really wear makeup that much. I've been busy and I've been finishing up everything, which is okay. You know, everybody has months that way. But first, I finished up this MAC Strobe Cream. I did have to cut it in half, and I completely used up that guy. So that's empty number 1. Empty number 2 is this Clinique Moisture Surge facial spray. I used it like as a setting spray. I really liked it. It was good. But 2 empties down. Now, I'll show y'all the 8 items that I, had last time, and I'll show y'all the 2 items I've decided to roll in. Again, I am choosing smaller items. First, I wanted to do this for the rest of the year, but I think I'm just going to do this until I move, which will be at the end of July. I don't know the exact date yet, but that's the plan. I'm moving at the end of July. So, anyway. First, I have this American Fidelity Chapstick. I did have it marked, but the, nail polish just came off. But I have used up a little bit more. I think I'm going to take pictures of this. But even then, it's not rolled down all the way. And you can't roll it up all the way else it'll fall out. So, it's going to be kind of hard. See, I'm rolling it down and it's not... You have to kind of push it in. So, I can't really mark this. I have used up a gram of product, which is good. I still have a lot to go. Next, we have the Eyeko I Do That's Where I Draw the Line eyeliner. I have this on today. I do like it. It's a really easy liner to get using. It doesn't work the best over glitter, and I love to wear glitter, but that's okay. So for this guy, it lost a gram. It went from 6 grams to 5 grams, so that was really good. Next, I have the Tarteist lip liner. I do have this on today. I love a lip liner. So this one, unfortunately, you can't mark the progress. It does keep coming up higher and higher. I guess it's fallen out, so maybe that's all I've got left. Let's see if I can pull that out. I don't want to break it. Okay, so I've still got quite a bit left. Oh no. Okay, there we go. So, I don't know. I'll just keep using it to line the outside of my lips, and we'll see the progress with that guy. Then I've got the Physicians Formula Green Concealer. I do feel like I have expanded this pan a little bit. The Tarte liner weighs the same, I'm sorry, but this guy has actually lost a gram, and it's all from this green. I don't really use this peachy concealer very much, but we have progress on the green concealer, which is exciting. Next, I have the Dollskin eye primer. I just use it as an eyeshadow primer. It's okay. It's not my favorite. I definitely wouldn't repurchase it. And Tarantino, they don't really make her products anymore anyway. But this still weighs the same at 15 grams. The next item is this Bombshell Smooth Criminal Powder. I've actually been using this under my eyes, and I really love the way it looks there. And then I use it to set my face. It just kind of blurs, and I don't know. It kind of makes me look airbrushed, and I like it. So last time, if everything was as level as I can make it, the line was here, and now it's here. So I have made progress, and obviously because it's a circle, the more progress you make, the smaller and smaller it'll get. I have been really enjoying this powder. I love these white silicone powders. I know some people don't. I do sometimes have an issue putting my highlighter and blush on. And I don't know if it's because of this powder or something else. I'm not really sure. But I'm working on this, and this has lost a gram as well. It's 15 grams, and it used to be 16. Next, I have the Marc Jacobs Omega Tan Bronzer. And I've been using it. It doesn't really have much of a dip in it. This is a really nice bronzer. It looks super natural on the skin. I've really been enjoying it. In the pan, it looks a little orange, and even in a swatch, it looks kind of orange, but I don't know. I just feel like it does a great job on the skin. I really love it. Big fan. And this has lost a gram. It went from 48 to 47 grams. And the last item that was here last time is this Chella Ivory Lace Highlighter. I use it under my brow bone and in my inner corner. It's very slow going. It still weighs 5 grams. I do have a piece of paper where I've marked the progress. So last time it was at that black line, and this time it's at that green line. So still have a long way to go. So those are the 8 products. Again, you can see there are a lot of small little items, but I'm trying to get them up and out of my collection because I would like to not have to move those 8 items. And I did go ahead and roll in 2 more, and so I'll show y'all those. First is this Benefit Porefessional Primer. This weighs 4 grams. It's a very small mini size. I've used these up in a couple of weeks before, so I'm hoping I can have that finished. And then I have this Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Mascara. I really like this mascara. It's doing great things for my lashes. We'll see how long it lasts. So, by next month, which today is the 8th, and I'll be filming on the 31st is the plan. So let's see, what do I think I can have finished? Hopefully I can have this primer gone. I don't know if I can have anything else finished. Maybe the lip liner, but that's a lot of product considering I don't fill in my lips, I just go around the perimeter. So maybe these 2. Maybe, we'll just see. But I'm going to definitely keep working on these items. I do plan on wearing more makeup this month. It's just like I said, you know, we all have those months where we're just super busy and sometimes things just don't really work out the way we're hoping, and my last month or so, month and a half have been that way. That's okay. I am super excited to be finished with my degree, and I'm working a bunch, but I'm pretty much taking a break academic. Well, that's not true. I'm writing a manuscript, but I'm kind of taking a break. It's a much bigger break until I move in August. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. As always, please leave any questions, requests, suggestions, comments down below, and yeah, I'll see you all real soon. Bye.